bitches just walking the streets with some cheap ass weave. Cheap ass weave. Cheap ass weave. How everything on fleek when you got some cheap ass weave. Cheap ass weave. Cheap ass weave.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a review on the Jessica hair in which I purchased on Amazon.com. Shipping does take 2 days if you are a Amazon Prime member. Doing a review on this particular wig. I actually bought this wig twice because I liked it so much. This one here is a 20-inch frontal. I also have a 14-inch as well, which I have put up. I later dyed that as well green. So with this particular wig, as you can see, it is a lace frontal, meaning it goes from ear to ear. It also has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the top, and then 1 in the back. It also comes with the adjustable straps to help fit your hair. It came like a little pre-plugged. I went in and plugged it just a little bit, as you can see. Here, the knots did not come all the way bleached, so I did bleach the knots using some developer and lightener as well. I will also do a tutorial on how to bleach your knots using this product. If you don't have that, you can also use concealer, which is your regular makeup. You also can use an airbrush leg spray. Let me see. Okay, which is this, and you can use this as well. I got this online at Amazon as well. I'll put a link in my description as well for this. If you don't have that, you can always use just some regular makeup concealer, but it's better to just use bleach the knots or use this. One thing about this wig that I did love, as you can see, it looks nappy, but I'm going to show you guys. I haven't worn this wig in a month, so it has been sitting on my mannequin head, which is here. You can also purchase this head as well as the stand on Amazon as well. I'll put a link to all of these products that I ordered. So the thing I like about this particular wig is, as you see how messy it looks right now. Of course, like I said, I haven't worn it in a month. My daughter put 2 braids on it for me to wear like this. But it's easy. Once it's messed up, it's easy to just come back to the wig. You don't even have to wash it or none of that. So normally it comes a little curly. Once you wave it, wash it, bleach your knots and wash it, this is what it looks like when it's dry. The thing I love about this particular wig is this. A spray bottle of water, just some plain water. You can spray it down really good. Just some regular water in a spray bottle. I did not get the spray bottle on Amazon. I got it in the beauty supply store. And you want to take your big comb. It's always, I have a comb. It's good to have varieties of different combs, but mainly a big comb. And as you can see, as you sprayed it down, see how nice and how that curl pattern just comes right back. All you have to do is put water on it. Now with this wig, because once it dries, it does look kind of natural looking. But if you spray this wig, I spray it every morning. I just spray the wig on, spray the water, comb it out, and you're good to go. Brand new. I bought this wig. It actually has about 900 and something reviews on Amazon, and that's what stood out to me. When I'm looking at buying my hair or my wigs, I always look at how many people bought it, how they felt about it. And with this particular wig having so many good reviews, I decided to buy it. So I'll also show you guys some pictures of the first one I bought, as well as a picture with me with this one on as well. And I'm going to let you guys see how my knots look when they are bleached. You see how natural that is? And it's on my mannequin's head. So you want to go in and you bleach the knots, pluck it, and like I said, once you're done, the hair is really good to manage, self-manage. As you can see, all you have to do is spray some water on it. Curl pattern is good as new. So again, this is like one of my favorite wigs from Amazon. I do have several other wigs as well that I will also do reviews on. But this particular wig is called Jessica Hair. I've bought it. My best friend has also bought it. Like I said, the wig has to be really good that I bought two of them. So it's a really good wig. And I'll put the link in the bio so you guys are able to purchase this wig as well as some of the products that I use. When I do put this wig back on, what I'll do is a step-by-step tutorial. But for now, this is basically how the wig looks. Like I said, it's a great natural curl pattern. Spray your water, comb it out, and you are good to go. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining. I see you on my next tutorial.
I can believe it. Or is it just me? But why all of these bitches just walking the streets with some cheap ass weave? Cheap ass weave. Cheap ass weave. How everything on fleek when you got some cheap ass weave? Cheap ass weave. Cheap ass weave. Don't even step to me if you got some cheap ass weave.
Thank you for joining my YouTube channel.